Okay, let's go for a swim. Oh, look at you. That's very good. Can you show me how you float on your back and twinkle? Put your ears, put your head on my shoulder just like that. I won't hold you down. I'm going to let the water hold you, okay? Say the water will hold you up. The water will hold you up. I don't have to worry because the water will hold me up. The water will hold you up. Look, see the clouds? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you see all those clouds? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, counting will get them to change their mind. If you can get them to count, that'll help them to redirect their mind, even if they have a little bit of anxiety. Now, what I'm doing right now by moving is I'm creating some momentum, and it gives her a sense of stability with floating. Now, a lot of times they're not going to be this comfortable on their back. I've been working with her for, since last year. Only the 3rd lesson this summer, but she's been exposed pretty well. So when you start with this, you start with what they call cheek to cheek, head on the shoulder. I'm a little pancake on my back. I'm a little pancake, nice and flat. The trick to this is to not hold them down and to make sure their head is on your shoulder. For some reason, a lot of times, parents can't figure out how to do this. They have the space. You just want to bring your body to their head so they relax on your shoulder. Let's sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little... Uh-oh. Don't stand up. Put one ear in and one ear out. Go right to ear dips. One ear in and we shake it all about. We do the hokey pokey and we turn you all around. That's what it's all about. So now, once I got her comfortable in cheek to cheek, hold on, I got a game for you. Once I can get her to relax on her back a little bit, then I can move to putting one hand on her head. Come on, up here, look. Good. Get your cloud. Oh, back on your back. Hey, how'd you get back? Look. Oh, there's the clouds. I found them. Do you see them? Do you see the clouds? Where are they? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Get your cloud up high. Let's go. Hey, you gotta stand your back. So we're using a signal to give her a cue that we're gonna go underwater. That lift is an unconscious signal. You do preparation for this by doing pouring 1, 2, 3. These are really good with 1, 2, 3 water on their face. Then you can move into signaling 1, 2, 3 under, and then onto the back. Oh, hey, what are you? Hey, these are your toes. Your toes. Grab that wall. Good job. All right, you want to do some off the wall? You want to climb up? Say hi. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. 1, 2, 3. Right back to the wall. Good. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Don't stand up. Uh-oh. What are your toes up there for? There you go. Keep going. So I'm holding her by her legs so she can feel the buoyancy. She's rolling over, so I'm letting her roll over, trying to stay underneath her all the time. You want her to have a natural tendency at this age to go to her back because it'll help her to get a breath. But a lot of times, they won't stay there at this age. Unless you get them very comfortable. But then, still, as they get older, they're not going to want to stay on their back. So you really got to get them good at doing pop-up runs. Catch a cloud. Clouds. Oh, you hear the plane. There is one up there. You hear it? Look. Where's the plane? Look. Catch a cloud. Catch a plane. Didn't see the fishes. Keep going. Catch a cloud up high to the sky. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Row! Row, row, row your boat. Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a ticklefish. Row, row. Now with this, you want to make them feel the water. So bubble bath, the fun game. And row! Kick the cloud. Clouds, up high to the sky, look up. And oh, there it is. You see? Where are we going? Okay, where do you want to go? You want to go over there? Let's go. Catch a cloud. And sing. Switching to her legs. Catch a cloud up high. Keep looking. Keep looking. Oh, I don't see. You're not looking. Look up to the sky. Look at the clouds. Where's the moon? Where's the moon? Where's the stars? Where's the planes? Something. Look up. All right. Good rowing. Let's do row, row, row your boat. This way. That way. This way. That way. Row, row, row your boat. Gently down the street. No, stream. Row, row, row your boat. Gently down the stream. Catch a cloud. Sing the fishes. Oh. Float on your back. Grab the wall. Climb up the wall. 1, 2, 3, splash. Okay. Catch a cloud up high. Look. Good. That's so good. That's very good. You want to go swim to the ball? You want to get the ball? No? You don't want the ball? Yeah? That was really good. 1, 2, 3, walk! Higher. Keep looking. You're speaking all kinds of languages. You gotta pick one. Up high, higher. See how she's using her arms? She's realizing that she can pull. And whenever they're kicking or they're pulling, you want to give them momentum so they realize that they can move themselves. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Oh, this way. No. Okay. Got you. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Splash. Good. Pop up. You see her lift her head up? That was really good. Yeah. That was good. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Hey, get up there. Silly. Whoop. Always underneath her. Oh, you want to go that way, right? Keep going. Keep going. Huh? Just keep going. Don't stop. Catch a cloud. Kick. You're stuck because you're not kicking. Kick, kick, kick. Row your boat. Good. Catch a cloud up high. Good job. Yeah. Look at that. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're so good at this. You're so good at swimming. You're so good. Thank you for listening. Yeah, Daddy's so happy with how good. Oh, look how you're floating your legs. Oh, I got you. I got your legs. Get over here. Get over here. Oh. Kick, kick, kick. Go, go, go. Kick. Are you going to kick? There you go. Whoop. Oh, I got you. Whoop. Kick, kick, kick. Uh-oh, you're stuck. Kick, kick, kick. There you go. Oh, I got you. Whoop. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. You're not going anywhere because you're not kicking. You're not going anywhere because you're not kicking. Kick your feet. Are you kicking? You're standing up. You're not. You got to kick your feet so you can move. Why swim when you can float? Oh. Uh-oh, you're going the wrong way. Well, you know what to do. You're going the wrong way. What are you going to do? You're going to kick. If you kick, you can move. Kick, 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 kick. Catch a cloud. Higher. Look up this guy. Look up, up, up. Higher. How many stars are in the sky? Oh, look at the stars. Look at the moon. Ah, you're not looking. Oh, all right. There you go. Oh, my gosh. Yeah. Whoop, whoop. 1, 2, 3. Catch a cloud. This leg hold is so great. You can hold them by their legs, tuck their legs. You can help them with their arms. Achoo! Oh, oh, oh! Ah! Okay, okay. Okay. Sometimes they just got to win. Sometimes they got to win, even if they don't really want to stop. Right? You want to swim some more? Look at you. Look at you.